श्रीकांत आर्य.
नमस्ते सर.
नमस्ते.
कर्ता कर्त्री, दाता दात्री, जनिता जनयित्री, गंता गंत्री, हंता हंत्री, जेता जेत्री, अभिनेता अभिनेत्री.
Now, there what happened? All these shabdas are Rikaranta Pratipadika shabdas. The Prathama Vibhakti form is Karta in Pullinga. So in Strilinga it becomes Kartri. So when the heading is Rikaranta, it refers to Pratipadikas and not the first Prathama Vibhakti form. Now here you had the Strilinga and it ended with Ni Pratyaya. Finally it ended with as Ikaranta, Dirgha Ikaranta. Dhanyavada sir. Andrew Hillen.
Namaskar sir. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Kamin Kamini, Gamin Gamini, Tejasvi Tejaswini, Dandi Dandini, Guni Gunini, Tapasvi Tapaswini, Manohari Manoharini, Manasvi Manaswini.
Okay, what is happening in these slide is Kamin. It's a Nakaranta Shabda, Gunin, Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda. So the Prathama Vibhakti form is Guni, Dandi, Tapasvi, Manohari, Manasvi. So Gamin is Gami actually. It is not Gamin, it is Gami, Gamino. So the Prathama Vibhakti form we are writing. So we should write like this one. Kami. So Kami, Kamini, Gami, Gamini. Now in all these cases, Ni Pratyaya has come and it becomes Dirgha Ikaranta. Guni, Tapasvi. This yesterday we learned. Guni, Dandi, Dandahasya Sthiti Dandi. One who has a stick in his hand. Gunahasya Sthiti Guni. One who is having gunas. Tejasvi. Same way Tejasvi, Gami. Gami, one who wishes to go. Kami, one who desires. Manohari, that which attracts the mind. Manohari. Manasvi, that which attracts the mind again. All these are Nakaranta Shabdas in Pullinga, Pratipadika. Prathama Vibhakti form is, Pullinga form is there. And it becomes Dirgha Ikaranta in Strilinga. Dhanyavada sir.
Sir. Namaskar.
Usha Chandrasekharan.
नमस्कारः जी. भवान, भवती, बुद्धिमान, बुद्धिमती, श्रीमान, श्रीमती, बलवान, बलवती, पुत्रवान, पुत्रवती, विद्वान, विदुषी, प्रेयान, प्रेयसी, कनियान, कनियसी, घरियान, घरियसी, ज्यायायान, ज्यायायसी.
ज्यायान, ज्यायसी.
ज्यायान, ज्यायसी. जी कनियान अर्थ है क्या?
कनियान, younger.
कनिष्ठ.
So, Gariyan is Srestha.
Gari, Kani.
Jyayan, better amongst the two. Gariyan, better amongst the two. Jyayan, better amongst the who is greater amongst the two. Okay. Like that. Amongst the two.
जी प्रेयान जी अर्थ है?
प्रेयान, loud person.
धन्यवाद जी, धन्यवाद.
So if the Pratipadika is Sakaranta and Takaranta, normally we end up in Dirgha Ikaranta in the Strilinga. In Pullinga, if it is so, Bhavan is actually Bhavat Shabda, Buddhimat Shabda, Shrimat Shabda, Balavat Shabda, Putravat Shabda. Here Vidwan is Vidvas, Preyas, Kaniyas, Gariyas, Jayas. All these become Ikaranta in Strilinga. Muralidhara.
Ram sir.
Ram.
Goman, Gomati, Kirtiman, Kirtimati, Hriman, Hrimati, शक्तिमान शक्तिमती, पुत्रवान पुत्रवती, रूपवान रूपवती, धीमान धीमती, कलावान कलावती, धनवान धनवती, बलवान बलवान बलवती, भगवान भगवती, विद्यावान विद्यावती.
So all of you know Manvan, it is just that one who possesses. So Goman is Gavahasya Santi iti Goman, one who possesses lot of cows. It is a Stree who possesses a lot of cows. It is Gomati. Like that Kirtiman, one who is having lot of fame. Hriman, Hri is Lajja, one who has lot of shy. These days you don't find that kind of people. People are not shy, they are very outspoken. Hriman, Hrimati. Shaktiman, our children, they are having a serial called Shaktiman. So Shaktiman, Shaktimati. Putravan, Putravati, one who has a child. Son. Putravan, one who has a son. Rupavan, same way. Dhiman, Kalavan, Dhanavan, Balavan, Bhagavan. Bhaga refers to Aishwarya. Bhaga Aishwarye. One who has Sakala Aishwarya of this world. He is Bhagavan. Vidyavan, one who is having Vidya. Dhiman, Dhi is Buddhi, Kala is quality, Kala is the skills, Chaturshashti Kalaha, we have no, those Kalas. I think we understood. So the Pratipadika in these cases either a Takaranta or a Sakaranta. In this case it is all Takaranta. Dhimat Shabda, Kalavat Shabda, Dhanavat Shabda, Balavat Shabda. This is how it is in Pullinga. In Strilinga it will become Ikaranta.
धन्यवादः सर.
धन्यवाद. Savita Rao.
राम 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 सर.
Ram Ram Ram.
कथयन् कथयन्ति, चलन् चलन्ति, चोरयन् चोरयन्ति, नृत्यन् नृत्यन्ति, पठन् पठन्ति, पृच्छन् पृच्छन्ति, पचन् पचति, भवन् भवन्ति.
Now these we have studied in Kridanta chapter, Shatru Pratyayanta Shabdas. It is also Takaranta, Kathayat Shabda, Kathayan Kathayanto, Kathayantaha, Chalat Shabda, Chalan Chalan, Chalanto, Chalantaha in Pullinga. In Strilinga it will become Kathayanti, Kathayantyo, Kathayantyaha, Chalanti, Chalantyo, Chalantyaha, like Nadi Shabda. That is how it becomes. This we have already studied, just as a part of completion I have just added.
Shall I continue, sir? कुमारः कुमारी, किशोरः किशोरी, तरुणः तरुणी, मातामह मातामही,
मातामहः
मातामहः मातामही, पितामहः पितामही, मृगः मृगी, हरिणः हरिणी.
Now in all these cases, Matamahah, Matuhu, Pita, mother's father. So Matamaha, Matamahi, Pitamaha, Pituhu, Pita, Pitamaha. In all these cases, we get Dirgha Ikaranta as the Strilinga Shabda. Indraha.
Indraha, Indrani, Indrasya Patni. Bhavaha, Bhavani, Bhavaha, Bhavaha, Bhavani, Bhavani, Bhavasya Patni. Sharvaha, Sharvani, Rudraha, Rudrani, Rudrasya Patni. Matulaha, Matuli, Matuli, Matulani, Matulasya Patni.
So Matulaha refers to maternal uncle. Matuli refers to maternal aunt.
Upadhyayaha, Upadhyayi, Upadhyayini, Upadhyayasya Patni.
Upadhyayani. See, this is what is happening is in Indraha, it is not Indri, it is becoming Indrani.
Rani.
Now Indrani, an, there is a an agama. So Indrani, Bhavani, Sharvani, Rudrani, there is a letter an coming inside. and getting added to Rudra Shabda. Rudran, Rudrani. Matulan, Matulani. Upadhyayan, Upadhyayani. That is how it is behaving. Now, there is also Upadhyaya, which is there as a top pratyaya. Akaranta Upadhyaya is also there. Now, what is the difference between Upadhyaya and Upadhyayani or Upadhyayi? Normally, Upadhyaya is ya swayam adhyapayati. So, you have Upadhyayasya patni. So, you have a professor. His wife is called Upadhyayani. Whereas, if somebody, a female professor is there, who is by herself a professor, for her, we have to use Upadhyaya to distinguish between whether she is the wife of a professor or she herself is a professor. Should be very careful.
आचार्यः आचार्याणि आचार्यस्य पत्नी आचार्यः आचार्य स्वयं अध्यापयति.
So this also Acharyani is Acharya's wife, whereas Acharya is a lady who is an Acharya. Dhanyavadaha.
Ram Ram. धन्यवाद.
Vinod Sharma.
Ram Ram. Can you hear me?
Ram Ram.
Mriduhu, Mritvi.
Mridvi. Very good.
Sadhuhu, Sadhvi. Patuhu, Patvi. Bahuhu, Bahvi. Nartaka, Nartaki. Laguhu, Lagvi. Gaura, Gauri. Matsya, Matsi. Nataha, Nati.
Dhanyavada, sir. Rohan Bharadwaj.
Ram Ram sir. Prabhatam. Goyah.
Gopaha.
Sorry sir. Gopaha, Gopi. Gopasya patni. Gopaha, Gopa. Swayam gaha palayati.
So the situation is Gopaha, one who Gopalaha, Gopaha, Patiti Paha. So one who protects the cows. Gopaha. Now Gopaha, if somebody or one who takes care of the cattle, if a lady takes care of the cattle, Gopa, she is called Gopa. She need not be the wife of a Gopa. If she is a wife of a Gopa, she may not take care of the cattle. She will be a Gopa's wife. Whereas a Gopa will take care of the cattle. He takes the cattle outside for grazing. Then he comes back home. Gopasya patni, Gopi. We have to be careful with what we are referring to.
Shudraha, Shudri.
So Shudrasya patni Shudri bhavati. Ya swayam Shudri bhavati. Shudra jatiya bhavati. Sha Shudra bhavati.
Mapitaha, Mapiti.
Dhanyavada, Rohan.
Naraha, Nari.
Okay. Okay, continue and finish it off.
Brahmanaha, Brahmani. Brahmanaha, Brahmani.
Okay, Dhanyavadaha, Rohan.
Dhanyavadaha. Sir, what I told was wrong?
No, it was correct. So we will get into some of the other pratyas. Lata PL.
Ram Ram Mahodaya. U pratyaya. Panguhu. Panguhu.
Panguhu is Pullinga. Pangum Langayate Girim. Pangu is a lame person. Lame. So Panguhu.
Swashuraha. Swashruhu.
Swashuraha is father-in-law. Swashruhu is mother-in-law. Ti. There is a Yuvati. This is the only example which is found in Ti.
Okay. Yuvatihi.
Yunas. Now let us do some practice exercises. Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Dhanyavada.
Ramesh Reddy Mahodaya. So the pratyaya is indicated in the bracket for you to tell the form. So you have to tell the Strilinga form.
Jeshta, Vatsa, Kumari, Patiti.
Patita is Rikaranta Shabda. So Patitri.
Patitri. Gachata.
No, Gachan is pulling Shatru Pratyaya, Takaranta. Takaranta Pratipadika, Gachat. Gachan is Pullinga. It will become Gachanti in Strilinga.
Gachanti. Dhanyavad. Vyagraha. Vyagra.
Nish, I have indicated the Pratyaya here. Nish means it should become Ikaranta, that's all. Vyagri it should become. Dhanyawada, sir.
Dhanyavad.
So this completes the Stri Pratyaya.